We are streaming. Yes, we are. Da-da. So today we have a lot to be excited about. I'm very, very happy. It's finished Friday. It's my favorite day of the week. Just the day that I get to have things get done. There's a lot to be excited about. We have a meeting in 15 minutes, talking about SOPs. I have a few other conversations coming up as well. We're doing some grant writing for LBCI, talking about the service providers that we have, helping different founders. We're also going to be creating a lot of content. I'm extremely excited today to use this right here, as well as this, which is a DJI. I am not joined today by anyone, but I didn't really invite anybody to come. So we'll see. I will create the YouTube stream right here. Or check the stream and invite people to it, that is. Our group has been growing so large. It's been incredible. We'll have our meeting in about 4 minutes to kick off Finisher Friday. Hey y'all, finish it Friday. The Warren Buffett Express. I don't know, which type of support would 10 times your progress? Our next edition of Finished Friday is live. We have a few amazing conversations. Come with some investors and founders. And service providers. We'll be live. Start at 12. We'll start at 12 with an overview of our goals for the day and present at 5 p.m. what we've accomplished. DM me for the Google Meet invite, and you can view the live stream here. I'm here. We'll say not. We will not be exclusive. Anyone can join this Google Meet. Also, it will be busy anyways. Ta-da. Here's the Google Meet invite for you all to come share. Very, very nice. Let's start the Zoom. I call it a Zoom even though it's a Google Meet. So, a few things I want to get done today. Let's write it out. Ooh. Finish it Friday, 6/20/25. You know, it has just become normal for me. What do I want to accomplish today? I had a huge task list last week that I didn't even think I got to all of it, but that is a-okay. That's the whole point. So I want to add the developer. Wait, to the GitHub. I want to create initial video for all BCI, and now I want to create an initial video for Soretta as well. And then I want to communicate with Forever Card about their intentions with the video. Great. That's short intentions. Let's start with the developer, adding him to the GitHub as well. You can't even see me, but that's because I'm live streaming, and only the live stream can see me. Which I think, yes, exactly. Okay, who is here? Andy? Okay, amazing. Hey, Andy, how are you?
Doing all right. How about you, Stefan?
I'm good. So you're not gonna be able to see my face because when I stream on live stream of YouTube, the YouTube live stream has my camera now, not the Fathom or the
Okay.
Google Meet. I want to add to the GitHub. I kind of forgot how to do it. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
So
awesome.
we're streaming live on YouTube right now.
Yes, we are. I didn't invite many people to this one, but I feel like
Okay.
I'm at this point where I really just want to just do work, and I don't need the distractions necessarily.
Oh yeah, sure. I think I've gotten everything else cleared out, so I can work on this all day today.
I really appreciate that. I'm very excited. There's a lot
Yeah.
for me to get done.
Because I was digging into it earlier today, and I'm trying to fix that upload error for the founder
Yes.
dashboard, and I was able to do a test upload on the live site, and it went through seamlessly. So I'm not sure what the error is exactly.
Yeah, I think
Um,
it has to do with uploading. Honestly, that's the one thing I've noticed is that when people try and upload like too much, I don't know what the limit is. If we could change it.
yeah, I mean, I need to see examples too. I guess was
Yeah.
I see that the limit set already. One second, let me have a.
Here's an example from Eunice. Um, he said this happened to him.
Go JPEG at least square pitch deck submit application. There was a problem. Let's try again. Okay. Maximum file size. Well, yeah. How big are those files he's uploading? Since it's the limit's 10 megabytes. Is that actually the problem though? As I want to know.
My thing is this. I think 10 megabytes or whatever it is a lie. I think it's a lie how much it can actually accept. And he's doing below 10, but it's just lying to him that 10 is the limit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh. I don't know what exactly.
Um.
It's like I was able to upload just fine, and so it's the hard part is a lot of the stuff is trying to reproduce that error.
Yeah. I can actually probably ask him to join today. I can send him
Okay,
the link. Um.
sure.
I'll do that right now. Um, 6 p.m.
And I'm also like this morning I was working on try to. I always like to be able to for any development project I'm working on run it locally. So I was working on getting that
Okay.
set up. That's just
Awesome. Wait, what should I be
yeah.
doing right now? To get your other account into this. Is this the right thing I'm on?
Yep, that's GitHub. That's the GitHub repository. Was the one? Remind me again. Rick was the one that always deployed it live to Firebase or the hosting, right?
Yes. Yes. And he
Okay.
just made me an admin owner of Firebase right now, so that you can be able to deploy. I think
Okay. Yeah.
I really like this is the biggest thing for me is I still don't know what I'm doing really with this stuff.
Yeah, take it slow, one step at a time, and first step to learning anything is doing it badly.
Oh yes, and at least we're doing it then at that point.
Yeah, no, I always forget that, and I try to remind myself just try not to worry about it.
Fair enough. And we have like the whole day to just like get stuff done, which is the whole point of Friday.
Sure.
Um, so yes, let me first add your other account to this. I know there was something I could do. I just don't remember what it is exactly. How I was able to add it before.
Okay, try going to. Okay, you're on the repository. Let's go down. Okay, go to settings at the top there. Yeah, and then on the left, go scroll back up on that left sidebar at the top is collaborators.
Perfect.
And it's okay. Yeah, it's gonna make us sign back in. While you're doing that, I'm gonna get some more coffee
Take
started.
your time.
All right.
Okay, awesome. Yes, and then I will find the email you sent me. Ta-da. Ta-da.
All right. Pardon any loud noise. I'm running a grinder.
Do not worry in the slightest. For some reason, it's not showing up with Tech Harbor Digital.
Should be Tech Harbor Digital, one word. I was able to test it with a test repository. Is it not showing up? Dang. Why isn't it showing up? Sorry, I tested it on something else I had.
It's okay.
Save. This is always kind of the annoying part about development is getting things set up. It always take forever to do it.
Yeah, at least you only have to do it once sometimes.
Yeah, well, and then you have to do it again if you're like moving to a different machine and whatnot. And you always, since you only do it once, you don't remember how you did it, and you have to figure everything out again.
Oh, that's how I feel. Yeah.
Yeah, it happens. That's what happens to me anyway.
No, I think I did it wrong. It's gonna. Yes, that was my fault. I clicked on the wrong thing.
Oh, okay. I wasn't even paying attention. I didn't see that. Okay.
And I need to go to the Firebase to make you an owner, right? To be able to
I don't know for sure. I would think it might be a good idea doing development on this project to have full access to it so we can deploy as needed. But I guess we're kind of taking the place. We're taking over for Nick since Nick doesn't want to be the developer on this, does he?
No, he does not.
Are you saying that?
Oh, it's okay though. He's
he's fine. Yeah.
he's doing his thing.
No, it's no shade there. I get it. I actually do not. I've never used Firebase, so I am not super helpful other than just Googling or searching.
Let me close this real quick. I mean, he still is he's still probably going to, unless he has work right now.
Hey guys.
Oh hey, how you doing, Chad?
Hey,
just got off with Google, so I'm here.
How are you, Nicholas?
Hey, Andy.
I'm good.
Doing well.
Well, I am trying to figure out right now how to add this.
Google Meet went well. Told them at the end of it, I'm just going to move forward as if we're going to be working with them, and they said okay. So they're going to send me an email, and I'll update you on that.
You made me an owner.
Do that again, Chad. Sorry.
Yeah, so just met with the Google Cloud people, and they said that it went super well. I told them, like I said, I may use the 200,000 credits. I may use them in a month because we got so many different things, and then at that point we're looking for straight up collaboration with the top of Google, and they were agreeing and stuff. So she's going to send me an email with she's already connected me to Google people, and then I'll update you after I get that.
Sounds good. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I figured out why is the right thing, not Firebase, by the way.
The what?
So to actually,
Fly for
yes, to get you to deploy is on fly.
What is this?
So this is the
this is for
dashboard. Yeah.
For
For
what? I'm sorry, I'm totally lost.
to
uh,
website.
Propel.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Um.
For like products, or oh, this is like the back end. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Okay, hold on. So you got. Let me see if I can get
Is
this
this
out.
what you built, Andy?
Oh no, I'm just joining mid after
Oh,
after the fact because this is Steph and Nick. I don't even know your relationship with Nick or what
No, Nicholas is
Nick
my
does.
brother.
Yeah, your brother, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. So he did a lot of work for just vibe coding a lot of the Propel application up, and then we got connected through Ben Spray and volunteered us to help development on this, get it operating, get it running.
yeah.
Make any add any features, fix any bugs and such like that.
Yes. I'm very thankful. I don't know where I'm going on fly. But
Okay.
yeah.
What is it?
So, okay, so wait, you have fire. So I saw on the configurations in the code base, you got you got Firebase is that just your database
Yes.
for? Okay, I need to get myself educated here. Okay, so make your so you can be with gender. Okay, Firebase.
I think actually, Chad, you added yourself, right?
To Propel, yes, I did last night.
So let me go find you, and I can add you to this.
Fly. Okay, so cloud Firebase console.firebase.
Oh, by the way, Steph, I sent that picture of the train and Andy as well to Max, and he said, yes, we can do that with FurCC for him too. So
Okay, awesome.
that'd be awesome.
Yes, and hey,
Hi, Daniel. You're muted.
Hi.
Okay, Chad, you should be live right now. Oh, it looks
There
awesome.
I am.
Great job.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like. Click on it.
Ah,
Nice.
wow. Good job.
Yeah, I went and filled them all out.
Yes, thank you. There's more
You
things
bet.
filled out that are not being showed, but this is a very good job.
Thank you.
Yes. Wow. Yeah, it looks awesome.
Yeah, the one thing I wanted to recommend is on that when people are signing up, can you put a save thing on it? Because that's where I kept getting held up because, I get pulled in so many different directions that I'll be working on something, then, I'll go do something else and, I close it. And so multiple times I, was doing it and just never had the opportunity to save. And that would help.
Well, okay. We can work on that. I think Nicholas tried
Sure.
to work on that, but I don't know if it actually happened.
Okay.
So where do you want to start today? I also,
Yeah. I want to. So I love how Saul put that in the chat where he's just saying, "Hey, this is something that I'm giving back to the community, right?"
yes.
Like, I think that so. Like, instead of that picture that you sent with those people. Oh, hold on. Edward just said he's free, so I'm going to call him to see if he wants to join this meeting. That's no guarantee because. But let me just call him quick. One moment.
Okay, yes. As well, another feature I'd like to work on today is this.
Yeah, hold on. Don't tell me
no,
that.
I'll
Or if
just tell
you're
you.
okay.
All right, I'm getting coffee here, so I was getting ready for
Sure thing.
hammering a lot of stuff.
Yeah, pretty much. I'd like to change it. And Nicholas told me that there's a way to do it. I'd like to make it so that this. I'll say. Can I please, Ben? Do you have your phone number that you can send in the chat right now? Actually.
Sorry.
Oh, Ben's not here. No.
Okay.
Okay. We can invite Ben to join, but it's okay. I'm gonna go change the Zoom link on this. 1 second. Yeah, I would love for you to join the chat as well, Andy. Mm,
Calendar. Joining what? I'm sorry.
join the founder network that we have.
Oh, sure. Yeah, I need to get on that. Here, I might have to do that on my phone because I couldn't get WhatsApp to work on my computer here to get installed.
I can send it to you right now in the chat.
I can't now.
Daniel, what are you gonna work on today?
What we talked about last night. So I gotta send some messages to some PCs.
Okay, I'm very excited about that. I'm gonna be working on the content for Soretta and all BCI. But let's finish this up.
Oh, like the. Oh, I had a vision last night. I had a thought. I had something last night. I had a vision last night. At like 4 a.m.
Oh.
It's essentially like what if instead of like pitch decks and stuff, you just like you interviewed the person and the opening. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm drafting emails, but like what if, and I don't mean today, but I mean in general, like what if instead of drafting emails, we did interviews, like we did videos, and then they could just watch it.
That would be much easier. And I would love to have that basically be an addition to what we have on the website. Basically where we have the featured founders page, and then that is the video explanation. So that's a much more personal touch. And I've had people upload videos of themselves.
Yeah,